In front of me is OUKITEL WP36, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy section. Then hit Permission Manager and select one of your device's features to manage, like Calendar. Now you can either click on one of your apps, select one of those options and go back, or select one of them, click on See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those features only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!